All right, I want to show you how to, what I would call the world's easiest pain relieving lotion or oil. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's using one essential oil only. Oh, now I just wanted to say to you, mate, don't forget to subscribe. If you like what you see, like the video, comment on the video. If you want to see a whole lot more, then you can go across, you see the description box, you'll see a link to my website. You can have a look, you can get my free aromatherapy course. You can get any other courses there on massage. I've got clinical aromatherapy, I've got aromatherapy for children. I've got all sorts of things. So if you really want to understand aromatherapy a lot more, or you want to do massage courses, jump over there. Okay, let me show you how to make this. And we're going to use lavender, lavandula angustifolia, which is lavender, otherwise known as true lavender. So it's really calming as well. So you could use this not only for pain, but certainly if it's pain related, stress related, neck pain, you're going to have the calming effects of the linalool and linalool acetate, which are the major components in lavandula angustifolia. Okay, so that's why it's important to check which lavender you've got. So make sure you're buying high quality oils and check, because if it's lavandula latifolia, that's spiked lavender, which doesn't have the same components, so it's not as calming, so it'll be more stimulating for people. So anyway, so pain relief. Right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to use one essential oil, and now you can use any carrier oil you like, olive oil, you can use avocado here, which is beautifully nourishing. Say you can get an unscented lotion and use that, and then you just keep it at home. I'm going to show you how to make it. We're going to use 2 tablespoons. All right, so 1 fluid ounce, 2 tablespoons of your carrier oil. Okay, so let's get that on the go. So we're going to do that. So 2 tablespoons. I'll try and do this without spilling it right in front of us here. Okay, put that there. Here we go. So this is avocado oil, which is, as I say, beautiful, skin nourishing. All right. I'll bring this up in a minute. Do this one down a bit closer, you know what I'm doing. All right. There we go. Oh, sorry about that banging noise on the microphone. All right. So there we have. Now I said, if you don't want to be sort of greasy, or you got a client or someone, or you don't want to have an oily feeling, if you're going to do your lower back or what have you, then by all means you can just use, say, an unscented lotion, which will absorb better in as well. So we're going to make this a 3% dilution of lavender. So that would be between 15 and 18 drops. So 15 or 18 drops of lavender into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 16. All right, anywhere between 15 and 18 is absolutely fine. And then I'll use a little glass. You don't want to use your finger and contaminate it so much. Just mix that up. And then say, you can keep this in the fridge. Do what you want with it. Let me get this. I've got to cap him up. Airtight container. All right. Give him a little swirl around. And that is absolutely beautiful. So I say, you can use a cream. Now, the other thing, if you've got roller bottles, you can do exactly the same thing with a roller bottle. You get them on Amazon, and you can buy like 25 of these for $10 or something. And so this is 10 mils. So we used to use 30 mils, or a fluid ounce. So this is a third of an ounce, or 10 mils. So you just do 33, so you do, what do we do, 15 to 18 drops. So now you put in 5 drops to 6 drops into here, and then fill it up with your carrier oil. And that's great to have around you as well. So, okay, so that is what I call the world's easiest pain reliever. Now, again, you can use it for de-stressing because it's lavender. So, you know, put it on your chest and breathe it in. You can just put it on your hands, breathe it in like that. It's absolutely beautiful. And of course, you can take it with you, especially if it's in a roller ball, and you can have it for, you know, first aid, cuts and scrapes and stings and pains, and of course emotionally for calming as well, for insomnia, all those sorts of things. So there you have it. Super easy, super effective.